Hello, my name is David Salz, and I'm with Wireworld Cable Technology. I'd like to tell you about what we do. I've been developing cables for over 3 decades and have 5 patents on cable designs and a 6th patent on cable testing methodology. And that 6th patent is especially important because that's what allowed us to really create better cables. What we learned is that the only way to hear exactly what a cable does to the sound is to compare the sound coming out of the cable with the sound before it went through the cable. Using that method, we've really developed some very special cables that I'd like to tell you about in detail. Wireworld speaker cables are very different than others. We utilize the DNA Helix design, where the conductors are flat, stacked layers that allow all the strands to be completely parallel. It's amazing to hear what these cables can do because they really sound faster and cleaner and more dynamic, and that's because they have less loss than other cables. People think that getting a heavy gauge cable means low loss, but actually there are other types of loss, and that's what the DNA Helix takes care of, and that's why you can hear so much more through the cable. We offer them in all of the popular connectors, Speak-On, 1/4-inch plugs for guitar speakers and so on, and they all have this advantage that really gives you a more complete version of the original sound. If you want more information, you can visit wireworldproaudio.com or wireworldcable.com. Wireworld manufactures all different kinds of cables. Everything from USB, HDMI, power cords, speaker cables, IEM, headphone cables, all kinds of digital cables, even multi-channel studio snakes, utilizing superior technology, testing techniques, and materials that really improve the quality of music.